In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add buttons to your Godaddy website quickly and easily. If you're ready, let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to godaddy.com. Log into your account and from the top menu, choose Products to open your list of services. Find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. That takes you straight into the Godaddy website builder, your main workspace for adding elements and customizing your site. Now, navigate to the page where you want the button to live. Click the Add section or plus icon. In the section Library, search for buttons or look for a layout that includes a button. Select a style you like, single button, two side-by-side or a call to action layout, and click Add. With the section added, click directly on the button to customize it. Update the button text to something action-oriented like Get Started, Contact Us, or Shop Now. Next, set the link. You can point it to a page on your site, an external URL, a phone number, or an email, whatever makes sense for your goal. From there, tweak the design so it matches your brand. You can adjust the size, alignment, and style, solid or outline, plus the corner radius and spacing so it blends perfectly with the rest of your page. If your template allows, you can also duplicate the button to create primary and secondary actions. Quick pro tips. Keep your button label short and clear. 2 to 3 words is ideal. Place your primary button above the fold so visitors see it immediately. Preview on mobile to make sure the button is large enough to tap and that spacing looks clean. When you're happy with everything, click Publish to push the changes live. And that's it. You just added a polished, conversion-ready button to your Godaddy website. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick web building tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.